I'm Vishal. I'm going to take your classes on Stadd Pro software. This is my channel called Stadd Pro Tutorials and Hacks. This particular channel I have created on YouTube the purpose is just to share my all knowledge and ideas about the Stadd Pro software. In this particular channel I will discuss with you all basics of Stadd Pro and concept of Stadd Pro, all of the tips and tricks and hacks of Stadd Pro software. In this particular tutorials I will discuss with you all about how to create a geometry, RCC design, and then loads combinations, and steel design, truss design, and at last the foundation design. So all of the such following topics in my next upcoming tutorials you will be able to design any kind of structure. And first of all we will discuss with the Day-1. So this is a Stadd Pro, which is, as we all know, that is designed by the Bentley systems, and in this particular scheduled device classes of Stadd Pro VAI Series 6, this is a latest version of Stadd Pro software. So let's begin with the Day-1. So this is the introduction to Stadd Pro. This is the Day-1. Our classes names introductions only, and in this particular Day-1 covers all of the following topics, includes introduction, uses of Stadd Pro interface, and all of the subtopics of it. So let's begin with the Day-1. So first of all we will just use the Stadd Pro. What is exactly the Stadd Pro? Stadd Pro is the structural analysis and design software which is used to design any kind of structure and give our results, also output file in which we will see our each and everything, our work and the design of any kind of building related to residential or any kind of building as well. And then the uses of Stadd Pro. What are the various uses of Stadd Pro? Why we are using this particular software? Just for making our design more faster, and because whenever we design any kind of beam, any kind of slab, so it takes a day, even a day or more hours to complete a particular design if we will do it manually. So what Stadd Pro do is it just design any kind of slab, any kind of building in a more quicker way. Just your understanding needs that it requires only understanding or all of your commands, whatever you will give to software, and by using all such things you just design in a very quick way. So that is why we use the Stadd Pro software, because whenever in a residential building, any kind of civil structure, there is a number of beams, a number of slabs and columns is there. So how it would be if we will design it by manually? So it would take years to design any kind of building by manually. So that is why we use the Stadd Pro software. So in this I will discuss with you all such kind of designing system as well. So first, another topic is Stadd Pro interface. So for this topic we will start the software. So this is the Stadd Pro VAI SS6 icon. Please click on it, and then after click on this dialog box appears in front of us. This is the command interface of Stadd Pro program, and these are the project tasks: new project, open project, and these are the recent files. Whenever we save our files, these files comes on here way. So first of all, go in the configurations, click on it, and then you will see there is a 2 units. Click on base unit, then you will see 2 units, base, metric and English. If it is not selected by default, then you should select here metric system. This is the base unit of it, then apply and accept, and then click on new project. In this new dialog box appear in front of you, which have various options. First of all, of this is space, plane, floor and truss. In this, what is exactly the space? Space is just a kind of structure which is designed on a 3D geometry, which is in a X, Y and Z plane, and then we can apply any kind of load on any plane. So this is, if we want to work in a 3D geometry, then we should select in the space icon. And then the next one is the plane, in which if we want to work in any kind of 2D geometry, only X and Y plane, then we will select the plane. And truss and floor also, if you want to design a truss, then you should click on the truss design. But first of all we will only select the space frame, because we want to make a geometry on the space frame. So this is a file name. You can select any kind of by your name as well. So we will select it by day 1, and this is the path where we want to save your file. And these are the both units called length and force unit. We will use it is by default selected meter and kilonewton because we have already selected the metric system for the basic unit of this. So these are the both unit. We should select meter and kilonewton for making our design more frequent and a more easier way. Click on next button. Then there is another dialog box appear in front of you, which is called the 8 beam at date. Sorry, first of all we will select the 8 beam, and in the next all of the options we will discuss it later with the design purpose. And then click on finish button. So this is the common interface, common screen appears in front of you, and this is just only a common thing, and this is called a grid, which we'll discuss later. First of all I will discuss with you the Stadd interface, and this is called a file, edit, view, tools, select, geometry, commands, analyze. All such options are called the menu bar. So what exactly is the menu bar? Menu bar is just a tab in which which has lots of options, lots of menus. That is why we call it a menu bar. So these are the uppermost bar called a menu bar of Stadd Pro. And another one is a toolbar. Toolbar is which has a lots of options in which it makes our design more frequently and more realistic. And this is what we make in a more quicker way. So this is all called 3 or 4 bars are called the toolbars, which has lots of tools and lots of options to select, and we can say lots of shortcuts as well. Another one bar is the page control. What exactly the page control is? Whenever you will see the left hand side of your workspace, you will see this is called the page control, in which are lots of options, lots of tabs, so that you will select general, geometry, setup. These all are the includes of the page control. So whenever you click on any tab, then you will see a datasheet appears on your right hand side options. So this is called the data sheets. So whenever you open any kind of tab, then a datasheet opens in right side of your screen. This is called the data sheets. Okay, the another one is this is a white space, which is called a workspace of Stadd Pro. Whatever we do in this particular software, we just all works comes in this particular workspace. So this is called a common interface of Stadd Pro. What we learned today, that is what exactly is the introduction of Stadd Pro, users of Stadd Pro. This is called a menu bar, this is called a toolbar, page control, data sheet, and workspace. And also these are also the advanced features of the Stadd Pro called the bridge deck, piping, steel design, advanced web design, and earthquake. These all options we will discuss later. And so these all are the common interface of Stadd Pro. So let's begin with the session. And so these all are called the day 1, and I'm going to just discuss with you the day 2 about my upcoming class. So these are the features, these are the contents of day 2, and which is called the basic concept of Stadd Pro. I will discuss with you all of the concept, and how to create a node, how to create a beam, what are the type of cursors used in Stadd Pro, what are their uses, what are their features, and there are lots of types of uses of there, what are their uses also, and the introduction to coordinate system, which is called the two different coordinate system, that is global axis and local axis. What are their uses, how we select both of the axes, what are their shortcut keys, what are their commands. I will discuss with you all in the day 2, my upcoming class. So please guys, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and like it for my videos, and share it if you like my videos. This is all are my videos in which I will